Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. It's a beautiful warm day today, and after tackling some of the other priority items we had on the other vehicles, it's time to get back to the Restomod on Clara. So today's goal is to take off as much as we can on the motor. We're going to drain some fluids and get things hopefully in a state that in the next week we'll be able to go ahead and pull the motor out and get it ready to go to the shop. There won't be a whole lot of commentary during this one, so enjoy the music, follow along, and we'll check in periodically to either say what we're doing or just say hi. All right, I think we've got a hood from CJ Pony Parts that is an aftermarket hood, obviously from CJ, but it has the shaker cutout on it on what we're going to take Clara towards. So first thing that we wanted to do was actually put that hood on, test the fitment on the body lines, make sure we're good to go there, and then we're going to dive into the motor work. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Great. Now you can help me with my side.
Yep, that's what I'm coming with. All right.
Very tight on this side. Not so tight on this side.
Okay, so that's a little bit of adjusting,
Yeah, that's just on the bolts.
but that looks pretty damn nice. Okay. Got that side?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go ahead and take it back.
touch the alternator?
Those.
Remember, kids, don't get screwed on your Restomod.
Shit, that thing was barely even on. Sure as hell wet and tight.
You've got a adorable mustache.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's a first. Completely dry oil filter.
Now you know why I said, okay, you do it.
So we finished up yesterday and we were talking about the things that we need to do next and just completely spaced on our outro and thanking everybody. So recap what we actually were able to accomplish.
Well, we were able to pull off the alternator, power steering. I know I'm forgetting something. The fan.
We pulled off power steering lines, we pulled off the frame ground.
We got the belts.
Got the belts.
Oh, and we drained fluids.
Yes, and drained power steering and the oil as well.
Yep.
So the list for next time is even shorter, and hopefully we'll be able to knock those things out and have the motor out in the next week.
I hope so. I'm excited to pull another motor.
I know you are.
Well, follow along with our build. Go ahead and like, subscribe to our channel, and you'll get to see more fun things, all of our Clara progress. So thank you for watching.
Thanks everyone. Stay safe. See you next time.